Okay, so, right, the 12 students, I will leave it to you whether you want to turn on the camera, but let's say if you really sign on, I will definitely need you to do that. I will be speaking with your parents why I want you to turn on the camera, okay? And I also need you to do your work. Okay, so the students here, they already know, okay? They need to finish up. Yeah. Okay, they need to finish up all their homework. Okay, so before they come for their tutorial, so that I can help to improve their open-ended answers. Okay, Priya, no problem. Okay, don't rush. All right, don't rush. Okay. So you can turn off the camera, Priya. Don't worry. Okay, you can even log on later, no problem. The moment you're in, I'll let you join us. Yeah, Hannah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Hannah, my email account somehow lagging a little. Okay, my messages not coming in well. Okay, so later I will take a look. Can? Let's see. Who else? Right. Hannah, you just finished your paper, is it? You just finished, right? No, Hannah is fine. Okay, because I know you have exam. Yes, we can play Kahoot once we are done with going through the questions, right? That's what we usually will do, right? Okay, so later I'll be showing everybody's answers also. You can see my slide. Yeah, let's go through. I think it's quite easy. We should be able to finish fast. Question 1. Catherine kept 2 similar pots of plants in a dark room for about 2 days. Okay, before she carried out an experiment. So she have not even carried out the experiment, right? So she wanted to do something first, which is to put the 2 pots of plants in the dark room. Okay, so after that is done, then she start her experiment. So what is actually this? What is actually this thing that she's doing? Okay, what's the purpose? Why? Why keep it in the dark? Sure, can, Hannah, thank you. Okay, so because she wanted to do this experiment, right? And the experiment, okay, aim is to investigate if plants need carbon dioxide to make food. So she started off by putting the plants in the dark room, okay, because she wants to check that she wants to be able to remove whatever possible starch there is. Okay, so putting the plants in the dark room. What will happen when plants are in the dark room?
They won't be able to use up the starch.
You will use up the starch. Somebody say won't be. Madhu, what did you say?
You won't be able to photosynthesize.
Okay, not able to photosynthesize, to use up all the starch? Yes, because it still must continue its daily function, right? So the life processes go on, starch will be used up for the plant to carry out daily processes, right? For growth as well. But because it cannot photosynthesize, okay, there is going to be shortage of starch eventually, because it's going to keep using up the starch, which is the extra food that is stored. Human beings also store extra food, right? Remember, we went through, I think, last 2 lessons. How do we store the excess that we consume?
Fats.
As fats, right? That's right, good. So that's why when people go on starvation, okay, they don't die immediately, right? Because they have a lot of reserve. Our reserve is actually that thick layer of fats in our body. Okay, so we can actually, yeah, you have some, Tommy, not entirely don't have. So we can survive on our fats, okay, which will be converted to energy. Right.
If that's the case, then why am I right now hungry? If that's
Sorry?
the case, then why am I still hungry right now?
Because your metabolic rate is high, okay? Metabolic rate is high. So someone is trying to come in, but always get kicked out, okay? So if you hear me pausing and then talking very slow suddenly, it's because I'm trying to let people come in. Okay, I'm trying to help someone get in, but always get kicked out. All right, what is metabolic rate? What do you understand by metabolic rate? Priya asked this question. So what do you understand? How many of you move very fast, talk very fast, you're very hyper, you're always hungry. You eat a lot, but you never put on weight. Many of you here, right? Because your metabolic rate is high. Okay. If your metabolic rate is low, all right, if your metabolic rate is low, you find that you don't like to move around, you're very quiet, you're slow, okay, and then you don't need to eat a lot of food. Okay. Yeah. So this is the difference. So now you all can tell who has got very high metabolic rate, right? In our class. Okay, I can tell already. Very obvious. For me,
most likely it's because I keep on cycling.
Okay. Yes. So our answer is actually A. Correct now. Answer is A, to de-starch the plant. Why do we need to de-starch the plant? So that the plant start off with 0 starch, right? Then when she carry out the experiment to investigate whether plants need carbon dioxide, that means that one plant will have carbon dioxide, the other plant will not have. Correct? Then after maybe a couple of hours or after 1 or 2 or 3 days, she's going to test for starch again for both plants. So starting off with no starch, and then after that, she will test for starch. The plant that gives the positive result for starch test, which is iodine test, will be the one that she's looking out for. Okay, that one must have been exposed to carbon dioxide. So that is the answer. No, cannot annotate, nobody to annotate until I ask someone to do so. Okay.
Maybe they can just chat in the answer.
Yeah, type in the chat. I have been seeing a lot of text messages in the chat box. Okay. Yeah. Let's not, because we want to play some Kahoot game, right? So we focus quickly. If we wait for people to annotate, we'll be taking up time. Can? So you type into the chat, you'll be faster. And sometimes you can unmute. Right, question 2. A lighted candle went out not long after it was kept in an inverted jar as shown. So this is the one. Okay, so you have the lighted candle went out. After that, see, 3 days later, the same candle can be lighted up. Why? Why is that so? Why is that so? Okay, let's see. Now, Miko, you want to try, Miko?
What's your question again?
My question is, how come after 3 days, the candle can be lighted up?
Because oxygen plants give out oxygen as gas.
Because the plants can give out oxygen gas. How come the plants give out oxygen gas?
They give out during photosynthesis.
No, sorry. Let Miko answer first. Later, I will ask you all again. Miko, continue.
They take in carbon dioxide and remove oxygen.
They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. That process is known as?
Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis, okay. Yeah. Miko, you see that everyone very excited to answer one, right? Yeah. So this is how it goes. But don't worry. You are... she is soft, correct. I also wanted to tell her that they are very loud. Okay, Miko, they are very loud, right? So your voice is a little bit soft, so they couldn't hear you. Yeah, but many of them started very soft also. Then after a few weeks, they become very, very participative and very loud. Okay, thank you for turning on the camera. Okay, right now, so you mentioned that it took in the plant took in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, that's good. But this whole thing is enclosed. Where do you get the carbon dioxide from?
Sun.
Okay. Madhu, you put out your hand. Okay, Miko, I will ask Madhu to answer this part. Madhu?
They will give out carbon dioxide during respiration.
During respiration. Very good. Like Hannah said, it's inside the jar actually. See, you look at this part here. The candle actually went out. Why? Because oxygen was used up, right? Correct? Yeah, so there's carbon dioxide here. So the plant took in the carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. Correct? And the oxygen that is produced by the plant is also being used by the plant as well. The plant need to respire. Agree? It respire all the time. Okay, so the oxygen taken in then also give out carbon dioxide. But at the same time, it will still take back the carbon dioxide to produce oxygen. You see how wonderful it is? Okay? The plant is quite self-sufficient, you know. So long as you can have the light there, correct? You can actually find that these processes go on all the time. So the oxygen that is being produced by the plant will then be used to light up the candle. Yeah. Okay. So next, question 3. 4 similar fish tanks are placed in a sunny place. In which of the fish tank will the fish be able to survive the longest time? All right. Now, this is a black cloth. Okay. So black cloth means no sunlight can go into the tank, right? So what else? This is a cardboard, correct? Only little sunlight can go in. True? So the next one, we have B as well as D. So we have water plant here, but no water plant here. Answer will be B, correct? Because over here, no plants, no photosynthesis, no oxygen can be given out. Okay, so answer is definitely just B. Any question here? Okay. Question 4. There are some fish struggling near the water surface of an aquarium. Okay, so struggling at the surface. Why is it that the fish are struggling near the surface? Brian. Hey, Brian?
Sorry, I disconnected.
No worries. I know. Brian, are you here? Yeah. So Brian, my question, why is it that the fish are struggling near the water surface?
Sure, I know.
Okay. Why? You said that there's no water plant. No water plant means the fish will struggle. Why will the fish struggle without water plant? What is the purpose of the water plant? There is no oxygen. Okay, so Brian, the fish is struggling because there's no oxygen. Okay, not because there's no water plant. The real reason why the fish is struggling is because there isn't dissolved oxygen in the water. Clear, Brian? So in order to solve the problem of no dissolved oxygen, what do? We put in water plants. Clear? Yeah, so identify the problem properly. Yeah? If you are identifying the problem as no water plant, it is not a correct answer actually. Okay, it's not a correct answer. It's more like the fish doesn't have enough oxygen. Correct or not? Then we try to resolve this issue. We put in water plant into the aquarium. Okay, Priya and Madhu, later I will give you the chance to answer. All right, don't worry. Yeah. Hannah said something. When she put water plant in the fish tank last time, the water plant had some weird things growing on it and it was kind of slimy. Algae growth.